Howdy, Mustangs. Welcome back. I'm Mrs. Barrington. I'm the Greens Prairie Elementary Principal, and we are looking forward to a fabulous year, a 2021-2022 school year with our students back on campus and our parents back on campus. I'd like to take this time to share a little bit about me and our staff with you and our wonderful school. We have about 70 staff members made up of classroom teachers, computer, art, music, and PE teachers, our librarian and our specialist, our cafeteria ladies, our paraprofessional staff, and our custodians. All of us work together to create this place we call home at Greens Prairie, a wonderful, thriving environment for our students where they learn and grow. I often brag that our staff, I believe, are the best of the best. They're passionate about what they do, they're experienced, they're innovative. Not only are they innovative, they take those innovations and put them into action in the classroom where our students can apply learning as they're learning new things and being successful as they're working together with their fellow classmates to learn new things. And so I'm very proud of our staff, a very dynamic, diverse staff that meet the learning needs and social emotional needs of our students. They're phenomenal. I would like to tell you a little bit about myself. This is our 11th year at Greens Prairie Elementary, but I've been the principal for 12 years. My very first year as principal at Greens Prairie Elementary, I was able to work with the architects and engineers to help design and pick out colors and textbooks and supplies, and also hire the staff. So I had a year of planning, and then now we're in our 11th year with our students and school community. I received my undergraduate from the College of Charleston when my husband was in the Navy. I had 3 years to get my undergraduate degree as we lived in Charleston, South Carolina. And then we came here to Texas. We're from Texas. And my husband started working on his degree at Texas A&M. And at the same time, I worked on my master's degree in education leadership. So we are Aggies. My daughters are also Aggies. I have two girls. My oldest daughter, Kara, works in Houston as a communication specialist, and my youngest daughter, Michaela, just graduated from Texas A&M in Parks, Recreation, and Tourism, specializing in hospitality. So we are Aggies. Something that I love to do is work with Aggie Moms. I have been the president of Aggie Moms locally and love that organization because we work together to provide scholarships for our Aggie students and support the local organizations in Aggie land. And so love the Aggie Moms, but I also am privileged to be part of the Raise Your Hand HEB mentor program where I am able to mentor two future teachers. And so these are HEB students that are scholars that have received scholarships from HEB, and principals mentor them. So I have I'm a mentor to two future teachers, and my mentees are actually going to be teachers their very first year this year. So honored to be their mentor and know that they will do an incredible job in the classroom as well. But that's a fun thing to do, is mentor future teachers. This is our vision for Greens Prairie Elementary. This was developed by our parents and our teachers the very first year we opened our doors. And this is a vision that our staff worked very hard to accomplish. We hold each other accountable to make this a place where we are safe, that we are collaborating, that we are part of a school family, all of these things that we aspire for our learning community. We work very hard and work together to make this happen. Just a few newsworthy notes. Attendance. Now, attendance is a little different this year because we are still working through COVID. And so I want to encourage you as parents, that if your child is sick, exhibiting any COVID symptoms, they're not feeling good, please keep them at home. We want them safe and healthy and resting at home, and so please keep them at home. Our nurse, Amanda Lyons, will be instrumental in helping navigate through this year, but she is always on call to help you answer questions, help talk about quarantining or symptoms. She's your go-to person, Nurse Lyons. But I do want to encourage you to be here, have your child here when they can. So scheduling those appointments after hours, scheduling vacation during our scheduled vacation time, but also know that we are very aware of the interesting times that we are living in, and that if students are sick, they're not feeling well, they're showing symptoms, they need to be home resting and perhaps quarantining, and we know that. We will work with each family, each parent, with constant communication to monitor attendance and help you through that. Our school hours are officially 7:50 to 3:05. We do have morning assembly at 7:45. Morning assembly will be in the gym on Monday and Friday, and Zooming in the classroom Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Official time for tardies is 7:55, and I will say that the back gate is open until 7:55, and once that gate is closed, if you happen to drive up and you see that the gate is closed, please drive around to the front and drop off your child in the morning in the front so that the office can welcome them and send them on to class. But please do not drop them off if you notice the gate is closed. So tardies are at 7:55. We are excited to have visitors back on campus, especially our parents and our guest speakers and all the things that just make our school great. And so I will ask the visitors that you do need to sign in the office. We will do a background check, so you need to bring your driver's license so that we can do that scan. And then we will give you a visitor's tag where you need to wear that while you're in the building so that all of our staff know that you are an approved guest to be on campus. If you don't have that visitor's tag, then we will escort you back to the office to get that tag. But those visitor's tags let us know that you have been approved to be on campus. I do want to say that we do have ample parking at our school, but if you need to park, please do not park in the fire lane. That is a time where parents can get ticketed if you're parking in the fire lane. Just a few more tidbits. Traffic flow is longer in the very beginning of the year, the first couple of days. The arrival and dismissal take a little bit longer, but please be patient, especially at dismissal time. The time does get shorter, but as our little ones start learning their names, their last names, their car color, the colored square where they will go when their name is called, they're learning those procedures. And so it takes a little bit of time, but they will get it. And so please be patient. Just know that we know the first couple of days are long, as at dismissal, especially at dismissal, and just be patient. It does shorten and it gets much, much better. So 3 o'clock, our kindergarten and first grade students dismiss. They're out there first, and then at 3:05, second through fourth graders come on out. So please note those times. Car riders are picked up in the back. They're also arrival and dismissal in the back of the building. Walkers leave out in the afternoon by the cafeteria. I do want to encourage you, one thing that does help our flow in the afternoon or in the morning as well is having our students exit or enter in the passenger side of the car, not having a staff member or parent having to walk around and letting them in on the other side. That is a safety procedure that we really want to encourage our parents to follow, is have the students in their car seats if appropriate and entering and exiting in the passenger side of the car. Again, no cell phones, because that is in school zones, ticketed offense. So please, no cell phones. We want everybody paying attention so that our students are safe. And then I encourage you, if you have transportation changes, please call the office before 2:30. Please do not rely on email to the teacher that day to convey that change of transportation, because if the teacher is teaching all day and they haven't had a chance to check their email, they may miss it. So please call the office before 2:30. We will take that down, the message down to your child so that they know there has been a change in transportation. But please do that before 2:30, because at 2:30, that's when we deliver those messages. There are lots of notes there. Your teacher will be providing more information for you. We also have information on our website and on our Facebook. We update our Facebook regularly with pictures and events. We are ready for a legendary year. We are ready to welcome back our students, our parents. We know it's going to be a great year. And I thank you on behalf of the staff for our parent partnerships, our parent support in creating this special place we call Greens Prairie. Thank you.